I on the cooker and I will add the oil and a little bit of butter. Just see, a teaspoon of butter also I added. Onions, finely chopped onions I am using. Garlic into it. I have got red pepper, yellow pepper, orange pepper and capsicum. All that we will use it. You can always use whatever you like, carrot, cabbage, things like that also you can use if you want to. Now we will temper it nicely. While I am stir frying this, I have something else. I am using boiled minced meat. Either I can use meat or I could use even fish, prawns, whatever you like. That's left to you. I thought I'll add a little sausage also, stir fry. While I am stir frying that, now see what I am using, salt. Then I use pepper, chili pieces, turmeric. If you like, use a little chili powder. Mix it nicely. The noodles. Can you see? Boiled noodles I am going to add it. A little sauce. A dessert spoon of sauce also we added. This is the savory noodle mixture that we have done. So now what I am going to do is, I will dish it out and keep it ready.